Hello everyone, welcome in my new video of English language grammar. Last video, we learned one type of parts of speech. I want to ask you two questions on it. All of you ready for it? Yes. Can you tell me definition of adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun by adding some information about it. Good. Can you tell me how many types of adjective we learn in it? 8. Very good. So, today we are going to learn one new type of parts of speech. Name of the type is adverb. Name of the type is adverb. We will start from its definition. Words that tell us something more about verbs or adjectives are called adverb. Words that tell us something more about verbs or adjectives are called adverb. One example, Shubhra reads clearly. What is the sentence? Shubhra reads clearly. Here, Shubhra is a proper noun, reads verb, and clearly is underlined word. What is clearly? Clearly is adverb. Why it is? What is our definition? Words that tell us something more about verbs. So here, clearly words tell us something more about verb. Here verb is reads. Is that clear? Next, there are 8 types of adverb. First one, adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of place, adverb of degree. Next, adverb of manner. Next, adverb of affirmation and negation. Next, interrogative adverb. Next, adverb of reason. There are 8 types of adverb. We will start from first number type of adverb. What is called adverb of time? Adverb which show time of action is called adverb of time. Adverb which show time of action is called adverb of time. There are 2 examples. First one, he comes here daily. He comes here daily. Daily word is underlined. Why it is adverb of time? Because here daily word shows about time of action. So time of action is comes. So here daily is adverb of time. Next, she hurt her knee yesterday. She hurt her knee yesterday. Here yesterday is an adverb because it shows about time of action. Next, adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency. The adverb used in sentence which action has done more than one time, it is called adverb of frequency. I can repeat it. The adverb used in sentence which action has done more than one time, it is called adverb of frequency. There are 2 examples are mentioned to here. We will start from first. I always go to temple. I always go to temple. Here I mention 2 times, 3 times. No. So here always is a adverb of frequency because it is tell us about more than one time. Action has done more than one time. Next, he sometimes plays kho-kho. He sometimes plays kho-kho. Sometimes word is underlined because it is tell us adverb of frequency. Here I mentioned 1, 2, 3 times. No. I wrote to there sometimes. So here sometimes is a adverb of frequency. Third number type of adverb of place. The adverb used in a sentence which show place of action called adverb of place. The adverb used in a sentence which show place of action is called adverb of place. There are 2 examples are showing to us. We will start from first. First is go there. What is the sentence? Go there. So here their word shows adverb of place because it also shows place of action. The adverb used in a sentence which show place of action is called adverb of place. Next, the situation is away, the station is away from my school. The station is away from my school. Here, away word is underlined because it is shows place of action. So this is example of adverb of place. Fourth, adverb of degree. Adverb of degree. Adverb of degree tell us about the intensity or degree of an action, an adjective or another adverb. Adverb of degree tell us about the intensity or degree of an action, an adjective or another adverb. There are two examples are showing to us. We will start from first. I just finished my homework on the solar system. I just finished my homework on the solar system. So here just word shows about intensity. Adverb of degree. What is called adverb of degree? Adverb of degree tells us about the intensity or degree or an action, an adjective or another adverb. So here just word tells us it is adverb of degree. Next, Rani runs very fast. Rani runs fast, but how? Rani runs very fast. So here very word tells us about intensity. Are you understood? Next, adverb of manner. This type of adverb tells us in what manner the action takes place and answers the questions how or in what manner. This type of adverb tells us in what manner the action takes place and answers the question how or in what manner. There are two examples are showing to us. First one, she walked slowly. She walked slowly. How she walked? She walked slowly. So slowly word is adverb of manner. Next, he did his work wisely. So wisely word is an adverb of manner. It shows about what manner the action take place. Next, sixth one, adverb of affirmation and negation. Adverb of affirmation and negation. We will start from definition. The word which declare that something is true or some equivalent expression or negative statement is called adverb of affirmation and negation. I again repeat it. The word which declare that something is true or some equivalent expression or negative statement is called adverb of affirmation and negation. There are two examples are showing to us. Adverb of affirmation. I will definitely do that project. Here definitely word tell us about truly I will do that project. So here definitely is a adverb of affirmation. Next, adverb of negation. I will never do that project. Here never is a adverb of negation because it is word is relative negative words. So I will never do that project. It is a statement is related to negative statement. I want to tell you one note related to adverb of affirmation and negation words like really, surely, rarely, exactly, obviously, almost, hardly, clearly, etc. Seventh is interrogative adverb. Which interrogative adverb? Interrogative adverbs are used to ask question. Interrogative adverbs are used to ask questions. There are two examples are mentioned here. We will start from first. Why are you late? What is the question? Why are you late? So here why word shows about interrogative adverb, interrogative adverb, because it is used to ask question. Next, how shall we go there? What is the question? How shall we go there? So here, how adverb used to ask questions. Next, adverb of reason. Adverb of reason. We will start from definition. This type of adverb tells us the reason or purpose of the action and answers the question why. I again repeat it. This type of adverb tells us the reason or purpose of the action and answer the question why. There are two examples are showing to us. We will start from first. He therefore left school. He therefore left school. So here therefore is an adverb of reason because it is tell us reason or purpose of the action and answer the questions why. Next, the bell rang, so he left school. The bell rang, so he left the school. Here, so is an adverb because it is tell us about some reason or answer the question why. So word is an adverb of reason. Thank you.